Hello students, today we will study about paper 7 Indian writing in English, unit 1 Torudat. Before discussing about Torudat, we will discuss about English writing. English writing started in India in late 19th century. We all know Britisher has made Kolkata as its capital and whole West Bengal was fascinated by English language. This was known as Bengal Vanessa. This Bengal Vanessa gave many writers like Ramesh Chandra, Manmohan, Rabindranath Tagore, C.I. Bandhu and Torudat. As we know that in unprescribed syllabus we will study about Torudat. Torudat was the first Indian writer who wrote in English language. She was born in 4th March 1856 in Kolkata. Her father was the well-known linguistic known Govind Chandra Dutt. This was time when missionary was activated in India, so they were fascinated by Christianity. In 1862, Dutt family was converted into Christianity. Toru, Aru and Abju all are fascinated by English language and they started learning English from their early age. They read Paradise Lost at their early age. First calamity came in their life when Abju died on 1865 at the age of 14. The whole family was in deep grief. In 1865, the Dutt family left for Europe. There Toru and Aru started learning English and French. As they went to French school and they started translating French lyrics into English verses. In 1873, family returned to Kolkata back. The second calamity came in family when Aru died on 23rd July 1874. Toru translated French verses and published it on 1875 as A Sheep Gleaned in French Fields. From 23rd November 1875, Toru and her father started learning Sanskrit language. Within 10 months, Toru learned Sanskrit and translated some verses from Ramayana, Mahabharata and Abhiyan Shakuntalam in English. She has written so many poems like The Young Spanish Maiden, The Lotus, A Casuarina Tree, The Tree of Life, Sita, The Solitary Reaper, The Nightingale, Christmas, Lakshman, The Love Came Flora Asking for a Flower, The Broken Bell, The Young Captive. At this time, she seriously became ill and on 30th August 1877, she died at the age of 21 and she was buried in CMS in Kolkata. On 1878, his father published her second edition of Sheaf and third edition was published by Ken Paul with a foreword by Arthur Zemon. She was the first Indian woman who started writing in English, even though she died at the age of 21, but she was immortal in the heart of Indians.